Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add call now button on Facebook page. First of all, open your Chrome browser and log in your Facebook account, then switch your Facebook page. Look at this, my Facebook page dashboard. Now I'm showing easy method step by step, so follow my all process. Look at the right corner, tap on profile icon. Look at this, my Facebook page dashboard. Tap on three line, edit action button, change button, and now select this. Next, add your phone number. For example, okay, now tap on save. Now successfully add call now button on Facebook page. If in this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching.